Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my BOXYLUXE unboxing for the month of December. So if you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a $21 beauty subscription service with a possible upgrade every 3 months to BOXYLUXE, which is an added $28 to the $21, making the total $50 for the box. So I got this BOXYLUXE, came in the mail yesterday, and I know the lighting's a little bit off because it's like, I don't know if anyone who doesn't live in like the Northeast will understand what this means, but it's like when it is about to snow, how like the clouds look like it's gonna snow, but it doesn't snow. And I feel like a light would be a little bit too harsh for this, so I'm just gonna go with what light is coming through my window. So let us just get into my BOXYLUXE. Okay, it's big, and as usual it comes with a card. Now I know in here it says all of the things as well as it has a picture. So I'm just going to put this to the side for now and just start with the first product. So the first thing is from PYT. It says it's a girl's world, and it comes in this packaging, and it is a mini ceramic styling tool. So let's see how many, because I did get to customize. I got to customize a box for once. I've been having this box for I think 2 years now. I've never got to customize before. Oh, it is so cute and tiny. Oh, that is so cute. It smells, I don't know. And then it comes in this, I guess, heat resistant bag, which is cute, and it just, everything folds up together. That's great. I always thought, you know, would I rather have another eyeshadow palette or a straightener? And I feel like the straighteners I have don't curl my hair well. Not that I know how to do anything with my hair, but if I ever wanted to curl it, I feel like it doesn't curl well. So I picked that in hopes that maybe I learn how to curl my hair. I'm going to try to not see every product and tell you the price of that. Great. That was $75. That was $75. It says, get those pesky baby hairs, strengthen those bands, or touch up the curls on the go with this incredibly adorable PYT mini straightener. The floating ceramic plates adjust as you style, allowing you to create straight, wavy, or curly locks. This little guy reaches a maximum temperature of 400 degrees. Boxy tip, throw this cute little iron into your favorite bag and take it with you anywhere you go. It's ideal for a quick bathroom touch-up. That's cute. $75. I paid $50 for this box. Which, that's crazy because it's already worth more than the box. And that's a really expensive hair straightener. Maybe I just don't buy expensive things, but wow. Alright, so I'm opening it up now, and the next thing I see is, oh, so much stuff. What do I pick? This. Okay. This is from Spongel. It's the Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. I wonder if I could smell it. No, it's looks like this. I can't smell it through the packaging. This is, I guess, a sponge with product in it already that you can use to wash your body. Let me see the literature on this one. Spongel Body Infused Buffer. Spongel's Body Infused Buffer will cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. This multi-use buffer is dermatologist tested and formulated to extract of Yuzi, Elsewise, and Vetiver. Yeah. So it's just going to buff away all of your imperfections and all of that jazz. So that's pretty cool. Can always use this, and this brings the cost up to the box to $95 now. Okay, next thing is this, and I'm so excited because I love Luxie brushes with all of my heart, and this is the complete base set. Oh wow. Do I want to take all these brushes out? No, I don't. But let me just give you, look at all of these beautiful, beautiful brushes. I love Luxie brushes with all of my heart, and this makes me so happy because, not that I need more brushes, I actually have probably all of these brushes at some point. I will have duplicates, but I just love everything about them. They're so soft, they apply things so well. I've never had a problem, and I have multiple brushes from this brand. So this retails for, yep, $65, and it says get the flawless look with this new cruelty-free Luxie brushes, the brush that has every brush you need to create a full face. Yeah, and it says this one contains the 532, which is the round top blender, the 522, the tapered highlight, the 680, the Pro Precision, which is the one I'm really excited for. It's like this, like on a slanted kind of buffer. The 2 to 9 tapered blending. I do have one of these and I love it, so I can't wait to. So I'm so excited to get another one. Then we have the 213, the eye shader, the 221, the flat definer, the 201 brow and lash spoolie. Love a nice spoolie. And then the 160, the lip brush, which actually I kind of really have been wanting lately, especially if I do makeup on anyone but myself. I don't want to use my doe foot applicator. So this is so exciting, and this is $65. So this paid for the box twice over. This is going to be an expensive box. I can feel it. Alright, the next thing in the box is this, and it says Glam AF. And I open it and there's something in here. This is Crimes of Beauty. Oh my god, is this a phone charger? Yeah! Okay, so this is a little, it says Crimes of Beauty on it here. So this is a little bank. This is a little phone chargy bank thing, which is so cool, so awesome. I'm totally here for that. And it comes with a little wire in here. This actually looks like the perfect bag to take with me when I go down to Louisiana to see Claudio and have a road trip back up. This will fit all of my stuff super well. It has a little divide in here. I don't know if you guys can see. It feels really, really nice. I'm so happy about this, even though it looks like I'm not happy. I'm just in finals week, so I'm sorry if I'm a little low energy. I'm also getting sick. Why wouldn't I? Okay, so this is from Crimes of Beauty. This is the wristlet plus portable charger. That's the word I was looking for. It says the ultimate bag for beauty essentials on the go. The durable and lightweight pebble fox leather bag is ideal for the jet setter, the trendsetter, and the girl boss who always is running to her next meeting. The portable charger is compatible with iPhone and Android devices and can be recharged through any USB port. Great, I'm going to take that with me all the time, everywhere. Actually, it's really nice to have a charging port because you never know when you might need it. Okay, the next thing in the box is from Wander Beauty, and this is the Wondrous Dawn to Dusk palette. Ooh. Let me just open this up for us. I did see spoilers for the regular box, and I know this was an option for the regular box. So these are the 3 colors here. They look pretty nice. The pan size is a little interesting because it is straight like this, and I know this is a blush and highlight palette. Might be hard to get my brush in here, but they're bigger than I expected. Let me try this. Let's swatch this highlighter. Oh, that's really pretty. It's a little dark for my skin tone, but it's really, really pretty all the same. I can only imagine what the blushes look like. I have tried some Wander Beauty products in the past, and I really have liked every single one of them. I was actually planning on going to Sephora and picking up some Wander Beauty products when I get the time. So that's really awesome, and I'm so excited to try that. And that retails for $26. I was going to say that's expensive, but like a Tarte blush is $23 or $26. So it's up there. It's about the same price. And it says that this BOXYCHARM exclusive. Oh! It's an exclusive. Contains 3 buttery shades and blends seamlessly into the skin for a natural glowy finish. Beautiful. Okay. I'm going to take this thing out here. There's so much stuff that they had to add those dividers usually. Okay, I see something really exciting, but I'm gonna move on. Next is from Grand. Oh, okay. I don't know if you guys ever feel this way, but when I feel this type of like beveled metal, like, do you see this? We have these this beveled metal in like knife sets for eating, and anytime I feel it, it just makes my skin crawl. It's like the worst feeling ever. But I'm excited for the product. I'm just going to hold it like this so I don't have to touch it. Okay, this is the Grand Cosmetics Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. I'm so pumped. I know I saw spoilers for this as well. We were going to get a mascara, and when I looked at the options, I was like, yeah, I want the Grand Mascara because I love their lash primer. I actually have one in my little thing over here. Love it so much. This retails for $25 and says get extreme length and volume while promoting healthy lashes with your new Grand Mascara infused with a lash-loving blend of peptides, panthenols, and natural waxes. Its buildable, water-resistant formula is easy to remove to prevent lash breakage while keeping lashes flexible and strong. I actually do need a new mascara. The one I'm using is dried out. But I have a really bad time letting go of mascaras, especially because I love mascaras. So, oh god, I dropped it. But I'm so excited to try this. I wanted to try more from Grand Lashes and Grand products in general. They do have like a eyebrow booster that I've been looking at because I want bigger eyebrows. I don't know. I love the bold brow look, but that's that. And next thing in the box is from Tarte. This is a shimmering lip paint in the shade Insta Famous. Oh my god. Let me see if it's picking up on camera. Do you see all of those glitters? Wow. Wow. Alright, I'm going to swatch this on the back of my hand. This looks beautiful. I don't like the Tarte lip paints in general. Oh, but I think this is more like a gloss. Yeah. This is just a very shiny, shimmery gloss. It's very sticky. And it smells like candy. You probably can't even see it on here, but it's this little thing here. It's literally a clear gloss with like a million little micro glitters in blues and pinks and golds. It's beautiful. And this is going to be great for like New Year's Eve. Not that I ever go out, but I like to, you know, act like I go out. Alright, we have 2 more products in the box. The next is from Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Mask. Alright, and it looks like this. It's a lot smaller, and actually I hate when they have this packaging that makes you look like really big, but this whole side is just plastic, you know. It's just a waste of plastic, honestly. But this retails for $89. Excuse me. Wow, I cannot get this to, oh, okay. Oh god. Alright, so this is the cream inside. It smells really nice. I'm just gonna put that back on top like I didn't disturb it. This says, clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. This is everything your skin routine has been missing. A potent cocktail of seaweeds has been blended with ginkgo biloba, rose, and mimosa to moisturize and visibly improve fine lines. This ultimate anti-aging cream will leave your skin feeling supple, firm, and radiant. After toning, before applying primer and foundation, use this. Alright. You sold me. I'm always afraid I'm going to get really wrinkly and really old because Claudio has not aged in the 5 years we've been dating. And I feel like I look older every single day. But maybe that's just me being like super paranoid, but I don't know. I'm afraid of aging. I don't know why that happened. When it happened, I used to like, you know, when you're like little and you like really want to grow up and you're like, yeah, I just want to be 22. Yeah, I'm 22 now and I just wish I was 14 because I had no responsibilities and bills and I did not have to write like 8 papers. Alright, the next thing is, I should have probably showed you before I started opening. The next thing is from Violet Voss, and this is the Holy Grail palette. And let me tell you, when I first started watching YouTube, I watched this YouTuber called Jaylyn, and she only did makeup at that point. Oh, this is fancy. And this was like her Holy Grail palette. I've never heard of Violet Voss before. This was probably almost 3 years ago that I was watching her, and she would rave about the Holy Grail palette. So when I saw this spoiler, I was ridiculously excited. Let's just, first of all, look at this packaging. I have also never tried a Violet Voss shadow before. I really haven't tried Violet Voss at all. Oh, these pan sizes are larger than I expected. Oh god. Look at these shades. I wish, maybe, is it pulling up on camera? Look at Toffee. Look at that. Oh my god. And it comes with a huge mirror here. You can see my room is actually yellow. This looks gorgeous. I don't want to touch it because I do want to take pictures of it first. But wow, wow, wow. Not that I need another palette, but I will use it with all of my heart. This is beautiful, and I feel like 3 years ago, me who almost bought this on a whim and paid, how much did I almost pay for this? $45 for this is like crying right now. I did not know how to use makeup then, so I don't think I would have done well, but they have so many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 shimmers, and 2, 4, 6, 8 mattes, which is, I think, a pretty good amount. And they all look like varying shades. I wish there was one darker brown over here or something, but this is so pretty. This is so pretty, and it's so big and so pretty, and thank you, BoxyCharm. This is like, I don't know how to explain it. This is like full circle for me. Like, I wanted to start a YouTube channel since I saw Jaylyn with her YouTube channel 3 years ago, and here I am actually doing it. And I feel like this is validation for some reason that like I'm on the right track. I feel like this is a sign because this is the first eyeshadow palette I ever wanted and I did not buy, and here it is for me. 3 years later, and I'm so excited to create some looks with this and to film more. I'm so excited to film more. I have missed filming so freaking much, but good for me because I'm almost done with school. I have one final to take in 3 hours. I have some monologues to prepare on Monday. I have a paper on Monday and a paper due next Friday, and then I'm done forever. I'm directing next semester, but I'll show you a video of that later. So yeah, this is everything I got in my BOXYCharm. Let me just, where do I put my phone? Why do I always lose my phone when I do these videos? It's on the other side of the room. Please hold. Let me just total up the box and then I will cut back to you. This month's box is worth $387. Oh, what? That is so much. I spent $50 on this box and I was nervous because I feel like the first BOXYLUXE was so good, and I feel like it's because it was their first box ever, and I was nervous that this wasn't going to live up. And honestly, when I saw some spoilers, I wasn't completely over the top, like in love with this, but you know, I'm taking a look at the products now and I feel like I will use pretty much all of them. The only thing I'm not sure about is this sponge. I feel like I'll go to do this and then I just won't. But this is always like a good gift. Like if I'm not going to use anything, like if I give someone a Violet Voss palette for Christmas, that would be some love. Too bad I love myself a little bit too much, and this is a sign from a higher power that I should be doing this. But I'm so excited. But this, like, these are good things. Like you could just get this and give an entire freaking brush set as a gift. Like that's amazing. And this is going to be really cool, and I'm excited for every single thing on here, especially this mascara. Am I most excited for this mascara and this palette? Yes. But yeah, guys, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for putting up with my lighting. I'm sorry my last video was so poorly edited. I did edit it. I'm trying to use Adobe Premiere Pro, and I exported the video and it went I don't know where. So I went to re-export it and apparently it just took off most of my edits, which is beautiful, great, stellar. So this time I'm gonna make sure I will edit this completely and make sure that I will export this to the correct place, and I make sure that this will be edited. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to. I'm gonna try to get back to normal videos next week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.